Configuring column types in Monday.com is a crucial step in creating a customized and efficient workflow. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to configure. First, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your board to add a new column. This will open a drop-down menu with various column type options, including text, number, date, and more. Choose the column type that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to track deadlines, select the date column type. If you want to track progress, select the status column type. Each column type has its own unique features and settings, so choose the one that aligns with your workflow. Once you have selected a column type, you can customize its settings. For instance, if you chose a date column, you can set a default date format and choose whether to include time. If you chose a status column, you can add custom labels and colors to represent different statuses. To add more functionality to your column, you can also use column formulas. Column formulas allow you to perform calculations and automate tasks based on data in other columns. For example, you can use a formula to calculate the number of days until a deadline or to automatically assign a status based on a condition. Best practices for configuring column types include keeping your columns organized and concise, using clear and descriptive names, and limiting the number of columns to only what is necessary. This will help you and your team quickly understand and navigate your board. In addition, consider using column groups to categorize related columns and make your board more readable. You can also use conditional formatting to highlight important information and draw attention to specific columns. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure column types in Monday.com and create a customized workflow that meets your team's needs. This will help you streamline your workflow, increase productivity, and make data-driven decisions. With a well-configured board, you can focus on what matters most, achieving your goals and delivering results.